Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to manage your analysis reports in NutriNet. Let's get started. To begin, click on My Analysis in the top menu bar. This will open your analysis management page. Here you can manage and organize all of your analysis reports, including soil, water, and tissue analysis. Let's take a closer look at how to manage each type. Let's start with the soil analysis. First, choose the plot to which the soil analysis report is linked. Once a plot is selected, all existing soil analysis reports linked to that plot will appear. You can view report details, duplicate a report to use as a template, or archive the report if don't need it anymore. To create a new soil analysis report, click Add New Soil Report in the upper right corner. NutriNet will automatically generate a default report name using the plot name in a unique number, but you can rename it if you desire. Next, set the sampling date and select the soil type. You can refer to the soil type descriptions on the right side to understand better how soil type can impact fertilization recommendations. Now enter the nutrient values from your lab report. Ensure each value matches the units displayed in the system. If needed, use the units drop-down at the top to convert units to match your report. Make sure the lab analysis method matches what's listed in your report. For phosphorus, make sure to select the correct analysis method, either Olsen or Bray, based on the method your lab used to measure available phosphorus in the soil. Down below, you can also add personal notes or comments to your report. When finished, click Save to complete the report. Your new soil analysis will now appear in the soil reports list, linked to the selected plot. Now let's move on to water analysis. Click the Water tab to view all water analysis reports. Unlike soil reports, water reports are not linked to specific plots. They are available for use across all programs. To create a new water analysis report, click Add New Water Report in the upper right corner. Enter a report name, sampling date, and water source such as well water, reservoir, or rainwater. Then input the nutrient values from your lab report. Make sure the units match and use the units drop-down to change them if needed. You can also add any personal notes down below. Click Save, and your new report will appear in the water analysis list. The last report is the tissue analysis report. Click the Tissue tab to see all tissue analysis reports. Tissue reports are linked to a specific fertilization program that's currently active. To see the reports that already exist in your programs, select a program from the drop-down list. To create a new report, click Add New Tissue Report in the upper right corner. First, choose the program you want to link the report to. Only active programs will appear in the list. Then, select the crop you're growing. Keep in mind that tissue analysis is only available for specific crops supported by the NutriNet tissue database. Next, choose the growth stage or stages in your program that you'd like this report to update. You can select just one or several, depending on your needs. After that, pick the actual growth stage when the tissue sample was collected. This step is important as it allows the system to generate accurate recommendations based on the plant's true condition at the time of sampling. A default report name will be generated automatically, but you can edit it if you'd like. Once you enter the sampling date, the system will open the nutrient input fields. Input your lab values and add any extra notes or comments if needed. When everything's ready, click Save. Your tissue report will now appear under the selected program in the tissue analysis list. Great! Once you've created your analysis reports, you can use them to fine-tune and optimize your fertilization programs. To learn how to add an analysis report to a program, just head over to the tutorial on adding an analysis report to a program. Congratulations! You now know how to manage your analysis reports in NutriNet. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.